Hello everybody. Now we will discuss about the tangent and normals. See, if there is any curve is given, let us y is equal to fx is there. At a point P there is a tangent and this is the normal which is the perpendicular on the tangent. So the slope of the tangent will be, let there is a point P whose coordinate is x1 and y1 be any point on a continuous curve y is equal to fx. Then the slope of this tangent, that is dy over dx at the point x1 and y1 will be equal to the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at point P x1 y1. So dy over dx of this one, that will give you the slope of this tangent. Slope of the tangent means the tangent is inclined with the x-axis. This is the slope of the tangent, that is you can see the theta is there. So dy over dx, that is x1 y1 is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by the tangent with the x-axis. So this is the tangent which is going to make the angle theta with the x-axis. That is the slope of this tangent, means at which angle the tangent is inclined with the x-axis. That is the slope, and that we can find by the derivative of this one, dy over dx at that particular point where the tangent is given. Now there are the two different cases are there. Number one, case one is if the tangent to the curve y equal to fx at this point is parallel to the x-axis. If your tangent is the parallel to this x-axis, in that case the theta, because if your tangent is parallel to, suppose this is your curve and this is your tangent is here, which is parallel to this x-axis, in that case your theta will be, tan theta will be equal to, means theta will be 0. So if theta is 0 means that is tan theta will be, tan 0 degree will be equal to 0 is there only. So if the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, then the slope of that tangent will be equal to 0. But if the tangent is perpendicular on this x-axis, or you can say that is the parallel to y-axis, perpendicular to x-axis you can say, or the parallel to the y-axis, in that case the slope will be equal to, it means theta is equal to then pi by 2, then the slope cannot be defined, that is undefined is there, because tan pi by 2, that is undefined, you will get the infinity. So the slope of the tangent, if it is a perpendicular on the x-axis, cannot be defined, or you can say the parallel to the y-axis is there only, that cannot be defined. Have a look. Okay, now so this is your tangent, the slope of this tangent is theta, and normal is always perpendicular on the tangent at this point. This is your normal. So in case if you know the slope of the tangent is there only, अगर आपको slope पता है, you know the slope of the tangent, then the equation of the tangent will equal to y minus y1 is equal to, this is the slope of the tangent, dy over dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. See, now the slope of the normal is there. So the normal to the curve at any point p x1 y1, on it is a straight line passing through the point, this one p x1 y1, means this is the line which is passing through the same point p1 where the tangent is there. जहाँ tangent है उसी से ये pass कर रहा है. That is the normal which is fall at the 90 degree at the tangent. So this is your normal is there only. So अगर मैं if we take the slope of this tangent is m1 and slope of this normal is m2, it means because they are perpendicular to each other, so m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is already we know that कि अगर कोई भी दो लाइन perpendicular है तो their the slope, the product of their slope will be equal to -1. It means with the help of this one only, you can find out the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal into slope of the tangent will be equal to -1. So the slope of the normal you can say -1 over slope of the tangent. And slope of the tangent is already we know this is your slope of the tangent. So that is -1 over dy over dx x1 y1, the slope of this one, that will give you this is the slope of the normal. And if you know the slope of the normal, you can find the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal will be equal to y minus y1 into is equal to -1 over dy over dx at this point x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the normal, and this is the equation of the tangent is there. Have a look. Yes, now next is there the angle of intersection of two curves. Two curves are given there only. This is your curve y is equal to fx1 and this is your curve is y is equal to fx2. And this is the tangent on this curve fx1 and this is the tangent of this curve fx2. This one. So the slope of this line will be, this is the slope of this tangent is theta 1 and the slope of this one is theta 2. So that the slope of the tangent, this one will be equal to dy over dx. This is the 2 and dy over dx at 1 here only. This is the tangent 1 is there only. If you want to know this angle theta, then this angle theta between this one, that tan theta will be equal to dy over dx 1 minus dy over dx 2 over 1 plus dy over dx at 1 and dy over dx. This is m1, m2 you can say, right? These are the slopes are there only. And the condition of the orthogonality will be equal to m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. It's already you know that. So the slope of this tangent into slope of this one will be equal to the minus 1 is there. So if you want to find out the angle of this one, means where the curves are going to intersect, this angle you want to find out, then direct you must know the slope. अगर आपको इसको slope पता है, इसका पता है, you can find out this one is there only. Now we will discuss the question. Have a look. Yes, now the question we are taking, question is find the equation of a tangent and normal to the curve 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 25 at the point x1 y1 where x1 is 2 and y1 is greater than 0. So this is your, the curve is given actually. This is the equation of the ellipsis there. So if we talk about the figure, अगर हम figure की बात करें तो this is your ellipsis there. There is a, at any one the point is there. There is a, this is the tangent at this point. You can say the p, x1 and y1. And this is your normal at which is at the 90s there. This is your normal and this is your tangent. We want to find out the equation of this tangent and the normal is there. So this is the equation of the curve is given. X1 is given 2. So you are supposed to find out first of all this point of contact. You have to find out the coordinate of the point of contact. पहले क्या करना है? First of all you have to find the coordinate of the point of contact. So at x is equal to 2 है. You have to put here 2 square plus 9y square is equal to 25 because this coordinate of this point will satisfy the equation of this ellipse. So this is 64 plus 9y square is equal to 25. So 9y square is equal to 25 minus 64. So negative value is coming. It should not be the negative. Sorry, this is not 25. This is 145. Because it cannot be the negative is there only. This value of the value of this one cannot be the negative. It is 145 is there only. Yes. So 145 minus this one. So you will get this is 81. So y square is equal to you are getting 81 over 9, that is 9. So y is equal to you will get plus minus 3. But the condition is here only. This is already given, then y1 is greater than 0. It's not less than. So it means from here, what we will do, we will neglect this negative point. So therefore, you can say y is equal to plus 3. This one. So you know the coordinate of this point is 2 and 3. You know the coordinate of this point is there. Now, to find the equation of the tangent, in general, the equation of the tangent क्या होता है? Y minus y1 is equal to dy over dx, coordinate the slope of that point into x minus x1. So you are supposed to find out the, first of all, the slope of this tangent is there. Slope of the tangent we can get from this by finding the derivative of this one with respect to x. So you know the point of contact is there. Here is the point of contact will be 2 and 3. Now you have to find out the slope of this one only. So look at here now. I'm going to do here. So here you can find the derivative of this one with respect to x. So this is differentiate with respect to x to find the dy over dx is there. So this is 32x plus 18y into dy over dx is equal to 0. So x is 2 and y is 3 you can put here only. So 32 into 2 plus 18 into 3 into dy over dx is equal to 0. So here you will get 54 into dy over dx is equal to minus 64. So from here only what you will get? You will get the slope of this one, dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to minus 64 over 54. So this is 32, 27. So this is minus 32 over 27. And this is nothing else. It is the slope of this tangent. ये क्या है? इस tangent का slope है. This is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. And similarly here only you can find out the slope of normal also. Slope of normal. And slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 over slope of the tangent. And slope of the tangent you are getting this one. So you have minus 32 by 27. So it can be written as 27 over 32. So this is the slope of the normal. This is the slope of the tangent. And the point of the contact is already we know that. So now you can write the equation of tangent and equation of the normal. So look at here. So equation of tangent will be equal to what? Y minus y1. Y1 is what? Your point of contact coordinate is this one, y1, 3, is equal to slope minus 32 over 27, y minus y1. Y1 is, sorry, x minus x1. This is x minus x1 is 2 is here. You can solve this one only. So you will get 27y minus 81 is equal to minus 32x plus 64. You can transpose this one. 32x plus 27y minus this one you will add 5, 145 is equal to 0. So this is over the equation of the tangent. Now similarly you can find out the equation of the normal. So look at here. Equation of normal is, that is equation of normal. So that is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over dy over dx into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 3. This is minus 1 over, and slope was here only, minus this one, minus 32 over 27 and x minus 2. This will be minus minus you can cancel, so y minus 3 is equal to 27 over 32 x minus 2. You can solve this one. So here you will get 32 into y minus 96 is equal to 27x minus 54. You can transpose this one is there on that side. So 27x minus 32y. This is a plus. So you are supposed to subtract. Plus is here. So that is 242 is equal to 0. And this is the equation of the normal is there only. Have a look. Okay. Now the question is, find the equation of tangents. It means there may be more than one tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 4, which is perpendicular to the line x plus 14y plus 3 is equal to 0. And this question is already asked in 2016 CBSE exam में. देखिए कुछ इस तरह से, like there is a curve is here only, this is the tangent and this is the line which is perpendicular on this tangent. See now, this line may be anywhere, remember, this may be anywhere. It may be here, so it is 90, maybe here, anywhere it may be there only. So you have to find out the equation of the tangent is there. See now, this is your curve. So what will be the slope of this curve? The slope of the tangent will be, with respect to x we will do, so you will get dy over dx. This is the slope of the tangent. But this tangent is perpendicular on this line. So you have to find out the slope of the line first. See, equation of line is, that is x plus 14y plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here you can write down 14y is equal to minus x plus minus 3. So y is equal to, you will get minus 1 over 14x minus 3 over 14. You must compare this is y is equal to mx plus c. So your slope will be here only, that is equal to minus 1 over 14. This is the slope of the line. Slope of line. But this slope of the line, this line is perpendicular, this tangent is there. It means the slope of that line into slope of the tangent will be equal to minus 1. So from here what will be the slope of the tangent? Slope of tangent will be equal to what? 14. Because this is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So you will get m2 is equal to, means slope of the tangent will be the 14. Because this is already, you know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. तो अगर ये इसको मैं m1 लो, this is into m2 is equal to minus 1, so you will get the slope of the tangent is, that is 14 is there. लेकिन slope of the tangent क्या है? what is there? Look at here now. This is your, so it means this 3x square plus 2 will be equal to this one, will be equal to this one. So from here you can find out then 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. This is, see, but this, the slope of the tangent, you can take the, let the point is x1 and x0 and y0 is there. तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगी? At this one only means अगर मैं लिखूँ dy by over dx x0 y0 तो ये होगा 3x0 square plus 2. This is the slope of the tangent of this point is there. So you can put this 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14 because slope of this one will be equal to slope of tangent is this 14. You have to solve it here only. यहाँ से solve करेंगे 0. This is 3x0 square is equal to 14 minus 2 that is 12. So x0 square is equal to 12 over 3 is equal to 4. So there only you will get x0 is equal to plus minus 2. So you know the coordinate of this point is plus minus 2. X is plus minus 2. You have to calculate the y0. y0 कैसे निकालेंगे? You have to put in this one only. You will get the y0. So one time you will take the plus 2 and second time you will take minus 2 is there only. I am going to rub it. Look at here. Okay, here only. See now. So if x0 is equal to plus 2, what will be your y0 from here? So y is equal to, you know that is, because y0 you can say x0 is cube plus 2x0 minus 4. So y0 is equal to x0 is 2 whole cube plus 2 into 2 plus minus 4. So this is 8 plus 4 minus 4. So you are getting 8. So your coordinate will be equal to what? 2 and 8. This is your, for the first tangent is there only if x0 is plus 2 is there. So if your coordinate is 2, 0, 2, 8 of this one only, you can find out the equation of tangent is there. So equation of tangent that will be equal to, but in that case you must know the slope is there. Slope is already, we know the slope of the tangent is already, we know the 14 is there. So you can write down x y minus y1. y1 is what? Means y0, you can say this is 8 is equal to 14 into x minus 2. This is the equation of the first tangent in case of the coordinates are 2 and 8. You can solve this one. So y minus 8. Look at here now. Y minus 8 is equal to, this is 14x minus 28. So 14x minus y, you can transform that to minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation of the tangent is there. In case of the coordinate is this one. Now second case, this you can see the first case. Now in the second case, if x0 is equal to minus 2, what will be the y0? If x0 is equal to minus 2, then y0 will be equal to, direct I am doing, you can put the values here, minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So this is minus 8 minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 60. This is. So your coordinate is minus 2 and minus 60. And this point you have to find the equation of the tangent again. Here only. So now equation of tangent, that will be equal to y minus y1 minus 16 is equal to slope of the tangent is already be given, the 14 is there only, then x minus 2. So this is y plus 16 is equal to 14, x plus 28. You can transfer this one only, so you would get 14x minus y plus 10, that 10 is 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the second tangent is there only. 14x minus y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the second tangent and this is the equation of the first tangent is there only. 14x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Have a look. Okay, now the next is find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos q theta and y is equal to a sin q theta at this theta is equal to pi by 4. So slope of the normal we want to calculate. इसका मतलब यह है कि यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट फर्स्ट, एंड स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट क्या होता है, dy over dx at any one of the point is there. This is your slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent is there. So you are supposed to calculate the slope of the tangent first. So for that one, what you are supposed to find out, dy over dx. लेकिन here is x is given in terms of theta, y is given in terms of theta. So here you have to find the dx over d theta. You have to find the derivative of this one with respect to theta and derivative of this one with respect to theta. Then you can write down. Then you can find dy over dx. So that is you can say dy over d theta over dx over d theta. You have to do this here only. So look at here now. We have x is equal to a cos q theta. So you have to differentiate with respect to theta. तो ये हो जाएगा dx over d theta is equal to a, and this is cos theta whole cube, that is 3 cos square theta, and derivative of this cos theta is minus sin theta. So you are getting this is dx over d theta. Similarly, y is equal to a sin q theta. You have to differentiate with respect to theta. So what you will get here, dy over d theta is equal to a into 3 sin square theta into sin theta. The derivative is cos theta. You have to apply the chain rule is here only. पहले क्या करेंगे, sin theta whole cube. So that is 3 sin theta, 3 minus 1, and minus 1 is there, into then derivative of sin theta again is cos theta. So from here only you have to find out the dy over dx. This one. You have to calculate the dy over dx from here only. This is, you can say, this is 1, and this is, you can say that 2 is there. You have to find out. Now, so dy over dx, you have to calculate first. So that is dy over d theta over dx over d theta. You have to put the values here. So here you will get minus, this is 3 a cos square theta into sin theta, and this is 3 a sin square theta into cos theta is here. So 3 and 3, a is cancelled, sin, and this is cos. So you are getting cos theta over sin theta is here. So you will get minus cot theta. But we want to know the equation, the slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 4. So you have to calculate the slope of the tangent at pi by 4 first. So dy over dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. So that is equal to minus cot pi by 4, and this is equal to minus 1. So this is the slope of the tangent. This is your slope of tangent. लेकिन you want to find out the slope of the normal. So this is already we know, slope of the tangent into slope of the normal is equal to minus 1. So slope of the normal will be equal to minus 1 over slope of the tangent. So this is minus 1 over, and slope of the tangent is already minus 1. So you can put minus 1 is here. So this is equal to 1, and this is your answer. Have a look.